You know that feeling when you're doing homework, you type your question to Google, you get a website that says it has the answer, you go to the website, it pretends to have the answer, all blurred out, asks you to sign up for an account, you sign up for the account, and what does it want next? It wants your credit card. Well, now that AI is a thing, you no longer need those websites. Alright, so you think you can do your homework with AI, right? You feed your question into ChatGPT, it gives you an answer, you submit it to the teacher. Winning, right? Wrong. Most ChatGPT answers are going to be a little bit off from what the teacher expects. Now, I want to show you how you can actually do your homework with AI and have 3 out of 3 every time. So for this setup, you're going to need to code. What you're going to need is VS Code, Visual Studio Code, Miniconda, Llama Index, ChromaDB, a large language model from the Hugging Face library, and access to an OpenAI key. It's going to help if you got an NVIDIA GPU, but really you can run this on your laptop if you wish. Additionally, if you're running on Windows, I recommend running this under WSL2 for maximum performance. If you don't know what WSL2 is, no biggie, just run this natively. You're going to save yourself some time. All right, just keep in mind this is an overview tutorial. We're not going to go deep into every part of it and walk through everything. This is more so intended to give you a bird's eye view. You get the concept of how to get this set up. These commands are all actual commands. So if you know how to run these, you're pretty much going to be all set with just the overview here, and you're not going to need the deep dive. But if you want the deep dive, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to make the full video. Now, first thing is you want to actually set everything up. So here are the commands to set everything up. Let's take a quick look at the code. First, we're going to start off with our imports. Then we declare our variables. Now, this is the very important part here. We have to specify the models. So we're not using OpenAI to do the really heavy work here. We're using OpenAI to really generate the answers. The heavy work of actually taking our course material and processing it into an AI model, that's done right here with a local open source model. All right, so once that's all set up, we've declared which models we're going to be using. We're going to connect ChromaDB. Now we go ahead and then just index our documents. So this is the course material, and this is what generates our output. So the output is really based on all of the course material that we have in our document folder. The query, which is the question is then passed through all of our course material. All the relevant stuff is given to OpenAI, and then OpenAI basically answers based on just whatever is relevant to the question from the textbook and from the course material. And I just want to show you that how well this works. Check this out. This is the result from just ChatGPT asking this question, this 3-point example question here from a macroeconomics textbook. We ask it to ChatGPT directly. ChatGPT does a decent job. It looks like it's giving really good answers, but only 2 of these are actually correct. Now with our solution, we give it the exact same question, and our solution gives you a 3 out of 3. Everything is correct. Everything is almost perfectly worded just as it was taken right out of the answer key. Essentially, this is how you can rip through homework using course material, not just trusting ChatGPT to give you the right answer, but actually using your course material to produce the right answer.